When you are at the beginning of becoming an artist, the materials you use are among the most important things that can open up a whole new world to you as a beginner. Using the right and quality materials from the beginning of your journey is something to keep in mind. These art supplies were made to make our work easier and to help us achieve our drawing goal. In this video, I will share the 5 must-have tools for graphite drawings that for me are very fundamental for any graphite artist and should be found in every artist's kit. With that being said, let's get to exploring these gems. The first tool is a black Faber-Castell Polychromos pencil. This pencil is very high quality and is manufactured by Faber-Castell. While being known for their colored pencil range, the Polychromos line also includes a black pencil that can be a valuable tool for graphite artists. The one I'm showing you right now is a baby black Polychromos pencil, that's why it is attached to a pencil extender. With graphite, achieving dark tones can be challenging, especially when working solely with graphite pencils. Here's where the black Polychromos pencil comes into play. Its rich, intense black pigment allows artists to add depth, dark tones to their graphite drawings. By layering the black Polychromos pencil over graphite, you can achieve a broader range of values, enhancing the overall contrast and depth of your artwork. The beauty of using this pencil lies in its versatility. It can be seamlessly integrated with graphite pencils, enabling artists to create smooth transitions from light to dark tones. The combination of graphite and the black Polychromos pencil gives the artwork a unique and dynamic appearance, adding richness and depth to shadows and creating a striking visual impact. This great pencil can be used for precise details and intricate textures. Its fine tip allows for controlled application, making it ideal for adding small details or difficult shading to enhance the realism and complexity of your graphite drawings. Whether you're a graphite artist looking to push the boundaries of your tonal range or seeking to add a touch of drama and intensity to your artwork, the black Polychromos pencil can be an invaluable tool in your creative arsenal. Its ability to complement and enhance the effects of graphite makes it a fantastic addition to any artist's toolkit. The second tool is a Tombow Mono Zero eraser. This eraser is specialized designed to provide precise control when erasing small areas or creating fine highlights in your artwork. It is known for its ultra-fine, cylindrical shape and is often referred to as precision eraser. For graphite artists, this eraser can be a game changer when it comes to achieving highlights and light shades in their drawings. Here's how it can be useful. It's great for precision highlighting. The fine tip of the Mono Zero eraser allows you to erase tiny areas with exceptional accuracy. By selectively removing graphite from specific areas, you can create highlights that bring a sense of luminosity and realism to your artwork. This level of precision enables you to also add fine details and shiny textures. It's also great for controlled lightening. Graphite artists often use shading techniques to create tonal variations in their drawings. The Mono Zero eraser allows for controlled lightening of specific areas, enabling you to refine shadows, add dimension, and create smooth transitions between the light and the dark tones. With its slender design, you can gradually lift graphite to achieve the desired level of lightness, enhancing the overall depth and realism of your artwork. It also works amazing for textural effects. This amazing eraser can also be used to create interesting textures in your graphite drawings. By selectively erasing and blending graphite, you can simulate various textures such as fur, fabric, or even rough surfaces. The precision of this eraser is great to create intricate patterns, lines, or stippling, adding complexity and detail to your work. Tool number 3 is a kneaded eraser. A kneaded eraser is a unique type of eraser that is soft, pliable, and moldable. It is commonly made of a mixture of pigments, rubber, and plastic. The distinctive feature of a kneaded eraser is that it can be stretched, shaped, and kneaded into various forms, making it a versatile tool for graphite artists. When it comes to getting highlights and light shades in your graphite drawings, this tool can be incredibly useful. And here's why. It can create gentle lightening. Unlike conventional erasers that remove graphite by rubbing or applying pressure, this type of eraser lifts graphite particles from the paper's surface. This gentle approach allows for controlled lightening of areas without damaging the paper or leaving harsh eraser marks. By lightly dabbing or pressing the kneaded eraser onto the drawing, you can lift the graphite, creating subtle highlights or softening shading to achieve a range of light tones. It's also good for blending and smudging. The soft and pliable nature of the kneaded eraser makes it an excellent tool for blending and smudging graphite. By shaping the eraser into a fine point or a flat edge, you can delicately blend and smooth out areas of your drawing. This technique is particularly useful for creating gradual transitions between light and dark tones, as well as achieving smooth gradients and soft textures. A reason that I love this eraser so much is that it is great for correcting mistakes. In addition to highlighting and shading, a kneaded eraser is also handy for correcting mistakes or refining details. It can be shaped into fine points or edges to precisely erase small areas, lines, or stray marks without affecting the surrounding areas. The tool number 4 is makeup brushes. Soft makeup brushes, often referred to as blending brushes, are brushes specifically designed for applying and blending makeup on the face. However, these brushes can also be incredibly useful for graphite artists who wish to achieve a smooth blending in their drawings. They are good for gentle blending. Soft makeup brushes are made with synthetic bristles or natural hair that are delicate and gentle on the paper's surface. When used with graphite, they can create a soft, diffused effect, allowing you to blend and merge different tones seamlessly. By lightly brushing over areas of your drawing, you can achieve smooth transitions and eliminate harsh lines, giving your artwork a more polished and professional look. They are also very versatile tools. These brushes come in various shapes and sizes, offering versatility in blending techniques. Large, fluffy brushes are perfect for blending large areas or creating soft gradients, while smaller, tapered brushes are ideal for precise blending and adding fine details. By experimenting with different brush sizes and styles, you can explore various blending techniques and achieve the desired effects in your graphite drawings. It is also a key tool for layering and smudging. You can also use them to layer graphite and create subtle tonal variations. By gently layering graphite on the paper using the brush, you can build up depth and richness in your shading. You can also use them to smudge and soften edges, creating a more realistic and organic appearance. This technique is particularly effective when drawing subjects like clouds, fur, or smooth surfaces. They also offer you a controlled application. They offer excellent control over the application of graphite, allowing you to apply light pressure and gradually build up the desired intensity. This level of control is beneficial when working on delicate areas or when creating nuanced shading effects. It helps you to maintain a light touch while achieving the desired blending outcome. Remember to clean your makeup brushes thoroughly before using them with graphite to avoid any residue or contamination. If you add these soft makeup brushes to your tools for your graphite drawings, you can expand your range of blending techniques and help you achieve smooth, seamless transitions in your artwork. Their soft bristles and delicate touch make them valuable tools for artists who are looking for a polished and professional look in their graphite drawings. The fifth tool and the last one is a sandpaper pad. A sandpaper pad is a tool that consists of a pad or block covered with fine grit sandpaper on one of the sides. It's commonly used to maintain and refresh the tip of drawing tools like graphite pencils or charcoal sticks. As a graphite artist, you can use a sandpaper pad for the following purposes with your art supplies. I love to use them for pencil sharpening and shaping. When your graphite pencils become dull or have uneven tips, a sandpaper pad can be a handy tool for sharpening and shaping them. Here's how you can use it effectively. Hold the sandpaper firmly on a flat surface or in your hand. Gently rub the pencil tip against the sandpaper surface in a circular or back and forth motion. Apply light pressure and rotate the pencil as you go to ensure even sharpening. Keep checking the pencil tip to achieve the desired sharpness and shape. Wipe away any excess graphite residue after sharpening. By using a sandpaper pad for pencil sharpening, you can remove worn-out graphite and create a sharp, pointed tip. This allows for precise lines, fine details, and controlled shading in your graphite artwork. When using this tool, I advise you to use a light touch and check the pencil tip frequently to avoid over-sharpening or breakage. Be mindful of the dust generated during the process and take appropriate measures to protect your working area and also yourself. This can also be a tool cleaning and refreshing. These pads are also useful for cleaning and refreshing your drawing tools such as blending stumps or tortillons. Follow these steps to effectively clean and refresh your tools. Gently rub the sandpaper pad against the surface of the blending stump. Move the tool back and forth or in a circular motion across the sandpaper. The friction between the sandpaper and the tool helps to remove residual graphite or charcoal. Keep rubbing until the tool appears clean and free from pigment buildup. After cleaning, you can lightly tap the tool against the sandpaper to reshape or refresh its tip. Cleaning and refreshing your blending tools with a sandpaper pad ensures that they are free from residue, preventing smudging or unintended pigment transfer when blending or smudging in your graphite drawings. Remember to use a gentle touch and be cautious when working with the sandpaper pad to avoid damaging your pencils or your tools. And there it is. I hope this video has been useful and insightful for you. Please don't forget to like my video, comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and subscribe if you want to see more art-related content. Keep creating and never stop chasing your artistic dreams. Thank you for tuning in, and I'm going to see you in the next video as well. Bye!